Well, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Show and Tell series at Dub Saw Shop. So, this is pretty much all my Poulan chainsaws. Poulan / Craftsman, the ones that kind of wiggled their way in and got nominated to be a Poulan. So, I just wanted to come out and we'll walk through my little collection of Poulans / Craftsmans and show y'all what we got. So, I'm gonna go ahead and take y'all out of the stand because I'm not trying to walk with a tripod. We'll just get a little bird's eye view here. And we'll walk through the rows from bottom to top. I'm gonna tell you what we got if you can't see it. Alright. Starting in the front row, we got Poulan high tops. From bottom to top, we got our Craftsman 3.7. That is blackjack. That's been ported and runs really great. Next in line, we got 3750 Tim Allen Bad Boy, 60cc. Pretty much all stock, minus a dual port muffler. You got 3450. That is the one we built for Smitty. That's the one we're going to be giving away for our 1,000 subscriber giveaway saw. And at the top, we got a Poulan 3500. It's been machined to get the squish right, and that's it. And that one runs pretty dang good. If you look through my videos, I actually had that one for sale at one time. I got a video on it. If you just search Poulan 3500, I'm sure it'll come up. Second row, we got our counter vibes. I'm gonna go from top to bottom on this one. We got a Poulan 3400, 3700, 4200, and 5200. I should have videos. I don't know if I got videos of the 34 and 37. Definitely got videos on the 42 and 52. More to come on those. Next row, we got Poulans / Johnson Red / Husqvarna. I got the 325 in this category because it's kind of a cross between partner Poulan and the Husky 55 in a way. But that is the 53cc Poulan 325, 65cc Poulan 415, 72cc Poulan 445, and the Poulan 475, which we got tricked out with the 505 cylinder and a beat stack. Next couple lines here, gonna be some more high tops and some, yeah. So starting at the top, we got a Poulan 330. That one's all stock for now. We got a Poulan 330 Type 3 kind of sorta. It's got the 380 piston cylinder. I believe that one's got a 137 carburetor as well, but that one's been ported by Charles Briscoe. Coming down, we got another Poulan 330. That one's the one with the welded chamber, and I ported that one. And then we got a Poulan Pro Super 380. And that one's been machined to get squish right, and that's it. Got I think they all got muffler mods pretty much. Buckshots and singles. Next line, we got our high tops. We got the small case ones. Starting from bottom to top, we got a Poulan 3300 54cc bare bore. I call this one the Poulan 3300.3 because that is a crossbreed. That's a custom build that I did for myself. It's green and black, half Poulan, half Craftsman. She does have the 54cc chrome cylinder from a 335 on it. Next up line, we got the Poulan 335 Predator. That thing is awesome with chain brake. Next, we got the Poulan Pro 335. That one is the chrome bore thin ring version, and it's outfitted with a metal chain brake. Next, somebody's coming down the road, and I'm sure they'll probably pull in here. Maybe not. Next, we got the. Let me bounce these two real quick, cause they fit in with these. Both of those are Craftsman 3.3s. The gray one is a 54cc bare bore, and the blue decal is a 54cc chrome bore. Now, up above that, we got the Poulan 315. That's the 50th anniversary, 50cc. Pretty rare saw. And up above that, we got the 2075. No chain brake, just the handles made like that. Down at the bottom, we got our 2375 Wild Thing. That's been ported. And we got the ugly 4218 Wild Thing. But she's clean, it's in good shape. It runs decent. Then up here on the top row, we got the Poulan 3314, which is plastic strato saw just like this one. And then we got our top handles. We got a Poulan 2.3, a Poulan 2200 or 2000. That one's a 2300, a 2000, and then the 2.3 Craftsman. And they all three are made pretty close to the same. This one's just got AV, and the others do not. So, the sun is coming out and blistering. So currently, that is my little Poulan collection that I put together. There's been some come, some go, and I'm sure more of these are gonna come and go and all that good stuff, but for now, this is what we got. So, I hope y'all like this little show and tell. Like I said, so far currently all of these run. We got them pretty much in tip-top shape the best we can. I like some of them a whole lot more than others, but I really like them. And if I could keep all of them forever, I would. So coming up, probably gonna put these up back in their little home place, and I'll make another video showing all my other saws. We got some Husqvarnas, some Neotech, some pretty much clone saws, John Cutters, Steels. So y'all look forward to that one if you want to see that. And if anybody is interested in seeing any one of these saws in depth, seeing a running video if I don't have one, feel free to leave it in the comments. Or if y'all just want to see an up-close look at the saw, we can do that as well. So y'all have a great day. Gonna put these things back to bed. Dubs, we out.